Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to save an Instagram reel to your gallery. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch Instagram and go to the explore section. So once you're within the explore section, you then need to find the reel that you want to save and tap on it. Now at this point you simply need to click the share or DM icon and share it to your story. Now once that is completed, you need to wait for the video to load and then simply click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on save. Now at this point you need to wait for the confirmation that the video was saved. Then you need to go back because you don't actually want to save this to your story, and then you need to go to your gallery and you see that the reels was saved to your gallery. So that's pretty much how you'd go about saving an Instagram reel to your gallery. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.